Hello everybody, welcome to the basement. We got the sister-in-law Carrie over here. Say hi to everybody, Carrie.
You cannot have me.
Turn around. We got to keep it
video camera.
Keep it G-rated. I don't turn on that light, Dip.
Are you kidding me?
Then we got Carrie's daughter Ashley. Bree, I'm sorry, that's the other one.
What'd you say?
Yeah, keep it G-rated. And we got Sammy. How do you show you Sammy's haircut? Sammy.
Sammy's haircut.
Well, this is my bedroom. I got my bedroom in the closet. I mean, in the bed.
What?
I said I had my bedroom in the closet. I'm in the basement.
Never try not to pee. Try not to pee. Don't! Now I'm too heavy.
What do you think of these tornadoes, Tammy? Tammy don't care much for these tornadoes. Well,
hey, Bob, did you have a beer with dinner?
Okay, guys, the tornadoes are right outside of town. Yeah, that's just another closet. But this is the Bobo basement. We got Carrie.
Countdown to death. 10 minutes.
10 minutes till the tornado hits. They said it's going to hit Hayesville at 10:25. 10:26.
Not going in there underneath the stairs.
Mom, has Newton already been hit today?
There's been so many tornadoes.
Well, there's been people dying to see the Bobo basement. The Bobo basement. There's the pile of thunder. This used to be the surround sound room. I still got it. I got some big old infinity speakers. I got the Onkyo receiver. That thing's bad, man.
Big old understanding why.
Big old subwoofer. I didn't even turn that thing on since the kids left. We got the bomber mold. We got my Thunder Chief. We got the F8 Crusader mold. Got the wing for it. The bomber wing molds. Oh, there's the parts I've been waiting for. My main spar for my bombers. For the B1. Them are made out of, oh, you don't have to glass it. Ren. Very expensive. About $2,000 worth of Ren right there to make them main spars. And all them Thunder Chief wings. Thunder Chief parts. And some Bobo Blaster stuff.
Oh, Bobo Blaster. Crazy.
Got the big old fish. Caught in Texas. Won a fishing tournament with that one with my father-in-law. There's a story behind that fish. I got to tell you one of these days. There's a good story behind that one too. There's a real good story behind that one. I'll tell you guys about it someday. Oh, that's about it for the basement, guys. But I did all this. I tiled all this floor. That's all porcelain. We had the really nice surround sound set up when the kids were little. This was our party room. Ain't no one been in here since the kids grew up. And this is my bathroom. The Bobo wife hates it. She says the floor's too cold, that porcelain tile. But I did all this when they was building the upstairs. I finished all this. Got me a big old bench in it. Oh yeah. Big old bathtub. But so this is my bathroom. Bobo wife hates it. Said the Bobo wife hates that bathroom.
Well, no, not really. It's a pretty bathroom, but it needs to get done. Yeah, so somebody needs to buy it.
Oh, you would use it if I hung a door there.
Yeah. So hear that? Buy a plane so that Debbie can use the bathroom. That's right.
you like here or?
Alright guys, the tornado's fixing to hit.
Yeah, I'm fixing to go.
Move your cigarette.
I'm fixing to go underneath the closet.
They lost her. Uh-oh. That don't sound good.
Gabby's
Lost
there.
two.
6,000 people is in that arena. Wow.
Oh yeah, they just suspended it and they ain't letting no one leave.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there was a Miranda Lambert concert.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Here comes the tornado, guys. I'm not kidding. Well, our power is underground.
All right, now we need the radio so we can hear what's going on.
Just listen for the train coming.
Oh, shut up, Bob. Shut the hell up, Bob.
You know when there's a tornado about to blow your house away. We know. I've been there, done that.
Towards the Seneca Kellogg area right now. Right near downtown Wichita with that concert going on. I hope they took precautions for that. As we look to the northeast on K42, we're approaching Mays Road.
The power just went out where we are, so.
Any cloud bases out
Really?
there.
That light sucks.
So we're getting light radiation, but we cannot make
Oh, okay.
Got it back.
Alright.
It's rotating right now in the air. As we go in, we're going to probably swing on 235 at the K42 exit, see if we can see anything as we enter.
Poor Lexi Pooh. She hates this stuff. And Sammy. This is a tornado warning.
Things that we do have this evening is Saturday night in downtown Wichita. Interest Bank Arena putting on a concert tonight. Also, the Gridiron Show. The local journalists doing their satire and their musical review. 10
Hey,
Notes. One of the
they've got tornado shelters in that place.
Of course, Storm Tracker 120. 10 years
What happened?
downtown Wichita.
I don't know, but I thought you just got hit by a tornado.
Burn my finger.
Oh, upside down. Wait.
Behind the orphan right now, we're getting extremely heavy downpour, very gusty winds out of the south, and pretty consistent pea-sized hail.
Sammy is so scared in the corner. Oh, she's scared about it. Come here.
I still got a big old roll of that breather cloth if anybody needs some.
Yeah,
Yeah.
buy it and we'll get doors in my bathroom.
I like the openness.
I know.
I don't have nothing to hide, baby.
I do.
My friend Melissa just said putting my school stuff upstairs just in case. She wants all her
Yeah, this is the chicken room right here.
That's where I'm
Excuse
gonna
me.
be. That's where I'm gonna be.
You better get in there.
I'm gonna be in there too.
This is the chicken room. Under the steps is the safest place to be.
You're showing all these people
I know.
this dirty.
We look like hoarders.
We're not.
I need all this stuff. We're not
Look at
hoarders.
this. You got one understanding wife. That's all I got to say. We don't really live down here. We live upstairs.
I used to.
Yeah, it looks a lot different than this.
Oh, damn me. We like it that way, don't we?
No, we don't.
Let me see it. Push the power.
I tried that. Okay.
There you go.
Power's
Now
about to go out
be
again.
patient.
Me and my
Press
stuffed
okay to
animal.
watch.
Press OK. Bam! You did it. All right.
Okay, let's start technology.
Whatever.
Is that coming back
Press
on?
okay. I did press.